Ibotta lets you combine cashback offers with Walmart savings programs in the same transaction, but only if you apply them in the right order and avoid item mismatches that cause rebates to fail. By the end, you'll know exactly how to stack Walmart coupons with Ibotta rebates so you don't miss cashback or accidentally void your rewards. Start with how the system works. Walmart discounts come from three main places: Walmart's own digital coupons, rollback pricing, and clearance prices. Ibotta works separately on top of that by giving cashback after you buy eligible items and upload your receipt or link your account. The key detail is that Ibotta doesn't care how much you paid. It only checks whether the correct product was purchased. That means stacking works when you reduce the price at Walmart first, then still buy the exact qualifying item that Ibotta is tracking. If the item matches, you still get the cashback, even if it was on rollback or had a coupon applied. First step is to plan your purchase inside Ibotta before you shop. Open the app and add offers to your list first, then match those offers to Walmart items. This prevents buying the wrong size, flavor, or version, which is the most common reason cashback gets rejected. Next, apply Walmart savings before checkout. Clip any available Walmart digital coupons in the Walmart app and let rollback prices apply automatically in-store or online. Once those discounts are active, complete your purchase as normal. After checkout, submit your Walmart receipt in Ibotta, or let it auto-detect the purchase if your account is linked. Ibotta will scan for qualifying items based on the barcodes and receipt details. If everything matches, the cashback is added to your account balance. One important detail is that coupons that change the product itself can break eligibility. For example, if a coupon forces a different size or bundle than what Ibotta lists, the system may not recognize it. That's why matching the exact item description in Ibotta is the step that matters most. Also, avoid waiting too long to submit receipts. Ibotta has a submission window, and missing it means the cashback is gone, even if the purchase was correct. Stacking at Walmart is basically a sequence. Confirm the Ibotta offer, apply Walmart discounts, buy the exact matching item, then submit the receipt. Quick recap: Ibotta checks product match, not price. Walmart discounts apply first, and accurate item selection is what keeps cashback from failing. Next step is simple. Open Ibotta, pick 3 Walmart items you already buy, and check if cashback offers exist before your next shopping trip. Like and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of cashback and savings apps.